Let's get ready to make this bear for Bear Snores On. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut out all the pieces that are on this black piece of paper and the brown piece of paper. Just cut out around all of the black lines, and when you're finished, we will start putting together the rest of the pieces. The other thing you need to have ready is a black marker or a pencil so that you can draw parts of the eyes and the whiskers that you will need to include on your bear's face. Guess what? There's a missing piece, but the good news is you have plenty of scrap paper for you to be able to cut out a little triangle bear nose from the scrap paper before it goes to the recycle. So that's the one piece that's missing. And also, if you want to put a tail on your bear, you can use that same piece of scrap paper to put that together. Now, one thing is important. All of our feet need to be facing the same direction. We don't want our bear to look like it's going all over the place, all wacky style. So we're gonna glue two of the legs together near the top so it looks kind of like it's walking. And then we're gonna glue that right to the body on the front and on the back. Then the head, just glue it right to that corner of the bear's body. So he's going to be looking right at us, and then add that brown part, which is where his nose and his mouth is going to be. Glue on your little triangle, and we're almost done. Their eyes are just two half circles, kind of like two rainbows, and add some glue to the back of those and just slide them to the top of each of the sides of the bear's face for his eyes. But he needs something to be able to look. So go ahead and add with your black marker or your pencil the eyes, and then make those two opposite J's shapes to make his little smile. 3 dots on each side for whiskers, and then glue on the lined paper, because that's where we're gonna draw and write about how you can snore through things too, just like Bear.